Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. I am really happy to welcome you at our weekly results video series. In this video series we go through various markets we traded and we share with you our results and also breakdown of the trades. Stay here if you want to know how professional traders are making money on the markets. Before we will start, just fast introduction who we are. We are a team of professional traders. We trade cryptocurrencies, Forex, futures and stocks. We have people who are experienced more than 10 years and we are trading also at proprietary firms with clients' money. Our mission is to educate people about financial markets, the opportunities it gives us, and be more money wise. This is why we upload regularly to our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter very valuable content, our trading results, again as this video, or our video streams with our trading scenarios we would like to trade. We share with you general trading systems with how we are working with indicators and so on, or the articles about economic situation, different kind of trading techniques, very interesting stuff for trading. Definitely don't miss this. Subscribe right now to not miss more valuable content we upload regularly for you. Also for traders who are more interested in our strategy, just smash the link below this video. After filling the form, you will be invited to our webinar. Our webinar is interactive. You can ask there any question you want. We will show you one of our most successful pattern we trade with Horizon X strategy on futures, Forex and cryptocurrencies. Definitely interesting information for you, nuances. You can ask any question you want about trade management, risk management and so on. Please, if you like this video content, just hit the like button. It is very important for us. And if you will have any question during this video, just put your question in the comment section and we will answer your question for sure very soon. I believe this is all for the introduction. Don't waste time and let's go directly to our weekly results.
The first trade I would like to talk about, it was Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I opened short here. We've seen this filled gap in the moment, and the market, the pair, broke this important level. So I was speculating on the breakout. Stop loss should be above this level, as you see, meaning that it is really important structure here, which should slow down the upside movement, and there are high probabilities in the end that market should go down with nice risk-reward ratio. Let's look how I manage the position, and you see also below my open profit in the moment. Because of slippage I got lost. This is my first take profit, and my stop loss should be above this structure as I mentioned. We have positive risk-reward ratio. Let's look how in the end the situation worked out. I believe that it worked out perfectly. We've got hit our first take profit. In the end, the pair bounced from this important support level and going up in the moment. Also there was important news, Canadian positive trade balance, meaning that in the end the pair starting growing, and I fixed my position here with 100 take profit. Here you see. Our trade I took, it was GPN. In this case, I like that we've been in this strong downtrend. We've seen corrective movement. There are several types of entries you can choose. I choose a very aggressive one, and it was that I was speculating on this consolidation, that it will be holding stop loss above the consolidation and take profit. It's really big in that case. It is a huge risk-reward ratio. I was working with several scenarios. First one is that market will go directly with this trend line. Yeah, it didn't happen. Or second one is that second timing is that wait for breakout of the trend line, maybe retest going down. Here you should open the trade. Now we have an idea what happened in the end. Market actually touched this level here and went down, so I got my stop loss above several times also here, so I got my stop loss hit in that case, and trade line is broken, and now I'm waiting what will happen. So in that case I took loss $150. Other trade I took, it was GBSD, one of the favorite pairs which we are trading here because of volatility. It is one of our horizon pattern. This is our level of resistance with false breakout in the end. we see also respecting this trend line from higher time frame. Really interesting scenario to trade for me, and I opened short position. Let's look how I time the trade. You see me now that I use sell limit order in this case because I would like to have a nice price controlling the entry of price. In case of scalping, sometimes when you use market order, you got slippage, you got really not good position for trading, but you see now that I got in the position. This is very fast trade. Now I am just adjusting my take profit and stop loss. You see that I have positive risk reward ratio in the moment, and I'm speculating on retest of this low of previous swing and also trend line. And now market is going to my take profit, and I should be very soon out. In this trade, I made $110 around. Other trade I took, it was Swiss franc. I actually opened two trades on this market, but let's look what I was about. This level was for me a very important key level. From 1 minute time frame, I would like to time a scalp. We've seen weakness of this movement, which dynamic is slowing down. We've seen a breaking of this small trend, also false breakout here. I timed the trade directly here after this retest that we should speculate with small stop loss to this important place of structure here, point of control. I perceive this market as balanced from long-term perspective. We were in channel from high time frame. I've seen that market try to hold this structure. We are in this, let's say, balance zone, so I can use small stop loss and speculate on again to this level. Also, there was really nice news or let's say sentiment about US dollar that US dollar is getting stronger. So I wanted to speculate on short on this pair, of course. Also here, very similar logic. You see that we are in this kind of consolidation for long term. We've seen false breakout again, retesting this level. I use big risk reward ratio in that case, and timing because of this trend line. Also, we've seen some place of liquidity here, which was already tested. So for me, it was really interesting here to open short, but in that case also didn't work out, and I took small loss in that case. For these two trades on per US dollar Swiss franc, I got the results as you can see here, minus $170, but the potential was around 500, maybe 600 together. So for me, it's really still good trades to consider, but definitely I will play with this situation also other things around like good fundamentals about US dollar. Last two trades I didn't close because it is still Tuesday. I have open position on USD yen. Let's look what I am about. Now USD yen is strongly oversold, of course, but still we've seen unbalanced order flow, but pullbacks are a little bit deeper in the moment. We use this, or the market participants use this place of structure, meaning that okay, maybe this trend is getting weak. We can speculate at least on this place of liquidity here. I got my alert there as you see, but main target, this like home run, is this place with very positive risk reward ratio in the moment. So in the moment, still open trade potential is more than $1,000. For me, a GPSD is like more kind of longer trade. GPSD is strongly oversold. We are now in the support in the moment, and with this downtrend. But the dynamic is slowing down. This trade is very aggressive. What I picked, it was timed more mainly on lower time frame. Let's look at this trade. I like this place of structure here, which also I use like for my stop loss. I got big slippage here. The timing was not very precise in that moment. This is like kind of again, this is more swing trades. I can operate with bigger stop loss in that case. I'm speculating on the retest of this level, but the situation now is not looking very good for me because you see that this trend line has been broken. We have consolidation now in the moment, And if my thesis won't be correct, I'm ready to leave the position with a preset loss.
This is all for today. I believe that you got an idea how we are trading, what the results are, and it is not always perfect, of course. Very important is to be consistent, cut your losses, and take huge profits. This is what we are doing, and this is how I made money in long term. If you are interested in our Horizon X strategy, please hit the link below this video, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar again. I will be happy to see you there. You can ask there any question you want and I will be there for you. Just reminding, we also upload regularly to our socials like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter our content, our trading content, like this video with the results, streaming of our trading scenarios we would like to trade before market open, for example stocks, also futures scenarios, cryptocurrency scenarios. Really interesting information for you for free. Just subscribe us, you will not miss our trading opportunities any longer. We also put on our socials and our webpage articles about economic situation, for example, or some insight of different strategies, how you are able to trade with different time frames and so on. Interesting information for you. You can inbuild it to your strategy, backtest it, then trade it live, of course. So please, if you like this video content, hit the like button there, and if you had any question during this video, I hope that I will read your question in the comment section below. This is all for today. Thank you again for watching, and meanwhile we should take the best trades on Forex markets.